How to order from Temu cash on delivery. Hello and welcome to our channel. This is Rose, and on this video I'll be guiding you through the process to order from Temu on cash on delivery. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. To start, open your Temu application and then log in with your credentials. Once you are logged in, browse the categories and select the item that you want to purchase and place an order. So I have selected a particular item. On this section, you can easily see the pictures of this particular item, select the size and the quantity. After that, tap add to cart button. Once you have added to the cart, go to the cart. These are all your items that you have selected and added to the cart. So if there is any item that you don't want to purchase, you simply need to deselect that and then tap checkout button. And then you'll be prompted to fill in your shipping details, including your name, email address, phone number, and other relevant information. Now let's talk about the payment. So Temu offers multiple payment methods, but many of you have asked whether cash on delivery is available. Unfortunately, as of now, Temu does not provide that offer of cash on delivery as a payment option. This policy is in place to maintain a smooth and secure transaction process. By not handling cash, Temu is able to streamline its delivery system and ensure a safe shopping experience for all users. While this might be an adjustment for those used to paying with cash on delivery, Temu's payment system is designed with both efficiency and security in mind. So I want to emphasize that this video is meant to provide clarity and avoid any confusion around this issue. Currently, COD is not an option for Temu orders, but if that changes in future, I'll be sure to update you with a new video. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.